Hey guys, welcome to a super quick tutorial on how to use the app called WhatTheFont. This is an excellent app to use if you're trying to discover any new fonts that you find out and about, and maybe you see a street sign or a font in a book or on a poster and you want to figure out what the name of that font is because maybe you would like to use that font in a design or in a Word document or in another project of yours. At the very top right, you can see the app, WhatTheFont, and I downloaded that through the iOS Apple App Store. It's also available for Google Play. Go ahead and click WhatTheFont after you've already downloaded it, and you immediately will see that it opens up to the camera. Immediately, you can take a picture. For example, I have my desktop screen that my camera's looking at, and I will actually click Google over here. It highlights all the text that it assumes there are. Click the blue arrow button at the bottom, and what will happen is the app will generate the results based on the fonts located in its database. Note that this isn't perfect. Not every single font is recorded in WhatTheFont's database, but it gets pretty darn close, and you can find a lot of similar results in case you don't find your exact match. Another option is we can go ahead and click the picture icon on the bottom left to pull up photographs that you've already taken and saved in your device's camera roll. For example, I'll click this picture that I took at a concert, and let's say, for example, I'm really interested in what this bleached font is. I'll go ahead and click that, click the arrow, and a few different results are gonna pop up. And let's say I'm looking for this one over here with the inner font. Go ahead, click the arrow again, and then generating font results, you get a bunch of different ones. Here we have, for example, Cooper BT Black is the top result. So now I'm going to transfer over to my MacBook and show you how we can go from here, downloading Cooper BT Black from the web and installing that so we can use it on any of our Adobe programs. Okay guys, we've jumped into our iMacs, and now we're going to Google search for our font name that we found from WhatTheFont app, and we're going to type in download font for free. That's the keywords over here, including our font name that we got from WhatTheFont. Let's search it, and the very first link comes up, and immediately we've found our font with a download link for both PC and Mac. Let's click download. We'll wait for it to download. And it appears in our Finder, downloads. Here we go. Cooper Black bt.ttf. The .ttf is the font file type. In the same way that photographs are .jpegs or .pngs, the .ttf is our font file type. We also have one with the, I believe, .otf. Let's click it. This opens up the FontBook app, which is a program installed with all Apple computers. That's where you can install any font from online. And what we'll do is we'll simply click install, and it's already done. The font has been added here. If you ever want to see it, you click My Fonts, Cooper Black, BT, and any other fonts that you've downloaded from the internet and installed yourself manually will appear in My Fonts. All fonts are including all the fonts that Apple has given you. So right away we can go open any of our Adobe applications. Click New File. Let's create it and use the Type tool over here, or click the letter T for the shortcut. Hello. Let's make this bigger. And then let's highlight our text and click the character to look for Cooper Black BT. And voila, this is the font I discovered from WhatTheFont app. That's how you look for fonts and download them using WhatTheFont.